Welcome to the final week of Social Work 335 Social Welfare Organizations, where will bring all we've studied together and try to get a complete package on how social welfare and social work practice work together. In addition to this, we're going to examine issues related to education and work, and these two areas are a large part of people's lives, obviously, and have specialized systems of social welfare that are designed specifically for them. So I think you'll find that interesting. You'll take a look at scholarly sources and review those. You'll take part in your final praying in color about God's design for you. You will take part in a discussion where you share your insights about a relevant case study. And you will complete your final case note on the termination of this family case management using the live acting videos I created. And finally, you're going to write a social welfare reform paper. And I hope this doesn't freak you out, because it's not going to be that hard. You just choose a current social welfare topic, do some research about what it's about, and make sure you cite everything and you write it in a scholarly way, and then you talk about why it's of interest to you, and you submit that for your final assignment, and that will complete your class. It's been wonderful going on this journey with you, and I hope you feel like you've learned a lot.